Right, welcome to another weekly update, guys. Let's go. So, I've broke down more than 20 pairs and I've selected 10 out of those 20 that has the best setup for the week. Out of these 10, USD card, Euro card, card JPY, GP card, and Euro USD. These are my top 5. Inside this top 5, I have my top 3, which are the first 3, but these top 5 are the ones that seem to, their plays is very fast. So, let's get on to it. So the very first pair we have USD card. So for USD card on the weekly time frame, now you can see that the weekly time frame is obviously bullish, and we have a break above this support line, resistance line which became support, and now we have 1 week engulfing, another week engulfing, a week retracement, and a week doji. Now you can see this whole doji now is rejecting from this EMA here, which is making it good. Now we go down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see the market had the break, and now we have the pullback to our area of interest. Now we went below it. Now we broke above it again, and then now this candlestick. If I go to the line chart, you see this is what made it. But the market shifted bearish on the retests, and then this engulfing here shifted it back bullish. So now the daily time frame is bullish. So we have two time frame bullish, and the 4 hour is also bullish. Now in the 4 hour, we have our inverse head and shoulder pattern down here. We have the left, the head. Excuse me, please. I'm drawing somewhere. Let me draw it again. So we have the left, the head, and the right shoulder. We have our break, the retest, and we have the engulfing. So ideally, I'm meant to enter from this engulfing, but I missed it. So, but the trade is very low already. So in order to enter this trade, I'll need a pullback here, but not below this, the low here. I don't want it to pull back below this low, because if pull back below this low, to shift bearish, and then I'll start it for another shift of structure. So I want it to pull back below the low, but I want it to pull within this body here, within this whole place here, somewhere here, as I've marked it here, and then I'm engulfing for a good entry so that I can continue the buy to the upside. So now this trade we already have, if you look, we already have the EMA rejecting multiple times from here. So that means a little pullback, a little price action into this area, then a 4 hour engulfing. In this case, a 1 hour engulfing itself is okay because the market is already ready and it might just start moving. So a 1 hour engulfing to continue to the upside. So that is it for USD card. Next pair, we have Euro card. Now Euro card. So the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame was at a all-time high, like a high that not been in a long time, and now we're just having bearish movements. And on the weekly, you can see the market shifted bearish actually. So we had the higher high, the higher low, the higher low, lower high, and a lower low. Now this low broke below this high, making it bearish, and then it gives us a kind of a double top here. So we have the break, and now we're below our area of interest here. That's for the weekly. On the daily, you can see the market shifted bearish. It's obvious the market is bearish on the daily. We're moving up, and then we have this shift of structure here, making it bearish, and we are below our area of interest, which is making it good for sales. Understand? So once we're below area of interest, good for sale. It looks like a double top here, as I said. Now we had that break, and last week we are having like the consolidating around here. So on the 4 hour, now you can see this on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, now we have a double top here. We had the break. Now I missed this first sales here last week because last week was one of my best last week. Last week was where the whole move here happened here, but the move was too fast, so I could not capitalize off of this move because my engulfing was like halfway of the whole trade, so it doesn't make sense. My risk to reward not make sense. So now this same double top you can see here. Just now this same double top here is the same double top that is here. You can see. Now we already have the break, retest. What also waiting for is a proper retest into the zone and engulfing to continue this trade to be downside. By the time having that proper retest, the EMA will be meeting up, and then we'll have another additional confluence, another additional reason to sell the market. So our next pair, CAD JPY. So CAD JPY on the weekly time frame, you can see that the weekly time frame is obviously bullish, very very bullish. Now this RPL means raw psychological level, area that market respect the most. Now you can see that the daily 2 is also bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high. The 4 hour is also bullish. And now what we have a break out of our area of interest, and we actually have that retest. So we're already having a retest. So what we're waiting for now is the market to pull back here and then have a little price action, then engulfing, so that we can react from this EMA properly and around psychological level 109,300 here, and then we'll be looking for engulfings to buy this market to the upside. So the following pair, GBP card on the weekly is bearish. You can see it's obviously market shifted bearish. You can see the market was bullish here. We're having higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and a lower low, breaking this previous price action, making it bearish. Now on the daily time frame, you can see that on daily we have that break out of the daily is bearish. You can see it obviously, and we have that break out of this area. Now we're having the pullback. So on the 4 hour, now it's not. You see that's the 4 hour now. We are below area of interest, and just being below our area of interest, we're having EMA approaching our area of interest. So what I'm waiting for now in this market, since we're already having the retest already, so I'm just waiting for a little price action into this area to reject from EMA, and then a little break and retest, or a good engulfing candlestick to give me a good risk to reward. So I want market to reject from this psychological level, reject from my EMA, and then give me a good engulfing to take the straight sales to the downside. Euro USD. Next pair. So let's go to the weekly as we usually do. So the weekly is bearish too on this trade. You can see that the weekly we're having highs here, and then we shifted bearish with this huge engulfing candlestick last week. Now the daily too is, you can see this double top here, and then we sold and we're below area of interest, so we're also bearish on the daily. Now on the 4 hour, you can see that the 4 hour. Now this area is where you can see multiple rejections, multiple rejections. What did I just do? You can see there's multiple rejections from this area. If I should keep going back, multiple rejections, and then we finally broke below it, retested and had an engulfing break again. So we're confirmed bearish on this trade. So now what we're just waiting for to continue this trade is a pullback to this high. Now I don't want the same thing for USD card. I don't want my pullback to go above the previous lower high. If not, market will shift bullish, and then we'll start with financial shift of structure. So I need a pullback to pull into my area, but not close above my previous lower high, and then reject from the EMA. Then it's a little break and retest, or a good engulfing candlestick to continue the sales to the downside on Euro USD. Now GBP USD, same thing, same shift of GBP USD now. But what I'm waiting for now is market to, by the time market is pulling back to area of interest, to be shifting bullish. So we need a shift of structure like a head and shoulder pattern or a double top to continue the sales. But the reason why Euro USD is above GBP USD is that now Euro USD, my area of interest, I have a more well-respected area of interest. You can see that this place has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now my area of interest, they have 11 rejections from it, which is making it very, very valid. Although now GU, I told you that having at least 3 is valid, but I would rather put my mind and my money in a trade that has a well-respected area of interest more than the other pair. Now you see that G, you have just 3 to 4. You have 1, 2. This is weak rejection, so it's not counted. 3, and then we have 4 here. So we have 4 on this trade. We have 4 on this trade, and we have 11 on the other trade. So I would rather take Euro USD that has more rejection and has a stronger area of interest than to take GU that is not as much as it. But both trades look very solid. Both trades are good. Both trades are good to take. You can take any of them, but me, I would rather go for Euro USD because of what I've stated above. Now, Euro GBP, we're looking to buy this market to the upside. So let me show you why. So you can see that also this area has been, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If I keep going back, there are more. But currently we have 6 rejections from this place, and we finally have an engulfing break from this area. So the market is bullish, number 1, and making it valid. Now, at the daily time frame, we have the break, and we are actively having that retest on the daily. As you can see, we're having the retest on the daily time frame already. Market is bullish. On the 4-hour time frame, same thing. Now the 4-hour has a kind of shift bearish structure-ish kind of look. So what I'm going to wait to continue this trade to the upside is I'm going to wait for market to pull back to my area of interest, then wait for a 4-hour shift of structure. That is our market to pull back, have a reaction from this place, then give me an engulfing to reject from this area to continue the buys to the upside. So that's for Euro GBP. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Everything you're seeing here is very free. I'm not charging anything, it's absolutely free. The Telegram channel is, the link for the Telegram channel is on my bio, where I drop signals every week. Everything is free. And if you're following the analysis from back, you see that my analysis, the way I analyze is very pretty simple and straightforward. No much languages inside. So let's continue. GBP on the weekly time frame. Okay. So GBP now, I'm looking to sales market. First reason is because where we are now, as you can see, let's use the weekly time frame. The last time market came to this point. Okay, let's see. Last time market came to this point was which year? Was Monday, November 2015. So we have like a 10 years gap. So it's not, for me, I don't see it ideal to be trying to buy a market that has a 10 years gap. That has a 10 years gap margin. Like it's too much. Normally I do look for a 1 year or 2 year at most, but this one has a 10 years, so I'm not looking to buy this market at all. So currently now we are below area of interest, making it more reasons to sell. So now on the daily time frame, market shifted bearish. On the daily time frame, you can see it, market is bearish. We're having higher high, higher low, higher high, and then we have a lower low, breaking below this low here, shifting structure bearish. If you go to the line charts, you see it clearly. Market was bullish here, and then we had this whole move down that shifted it bearish. I'm actively having the retest of this area. So the daily is bearish and the 4 hour. Now, the 4 hour is bullish, but I'm looking to sell this market, and the strategy, the set and forget Alex strategy, will require 2 time frame in sync, which is 2 time frame going the same direction. So now, in order for me to sell this market, I need the 4 hour time frame to shift bearish. So that's basically what is happening. I can see it put area of interest, then shift of structure. So I want market to put to this area, my area of interest, have a shift of structure bearish, so that I will have the daily and the 4 hour in my favor. That is bearish. And then I'll look for my engulfing to sell this market to the downside. Trade looks clean, trade looks nice. USD JPY. If you have watched, you see that all the JPY pairs, well, I'm actually looking for buys. I'm not looking for sales. I need JPY pair currently. So USD JPY. This might just take a little more time than CAD JPY. So let's go. USD JPY is obviously, you can see the bullish run. It's obviously bullish on the weekly time frame. The daily time frame, same thing. Break, retest, break, retest, break. So it's obviously bullish too on the daily, and on the 4 hour, market is also bullish on the 4 hour. So what I'm waiting for now to continue the buys to this market is I'm going to wait for market to simply have a break out of this area, a retest, and then engulfing to continue. Right, basically it's for USD JPY. Very simple. Now, NZD JPY. Same thing I'm looking for NZD JPY. So the NZD JPY now, because of our rejected from this area of interest, and the last time we were here, rejected down. So I'm going to be waiting patiently for market to have that proper break out of this area as the EMA is supporting it, to have the retest to continue the buys. So the same thing. Now, AUD CHF, the last pair for the week. Now, AUD CHF, as I've said before, all the CHF based quote pairs, that is AUD CHF, GBP CHF, USD CHF, all the one that has CHF at the end, that's the quote pairs, right? The base pair, sorry. I'm looking to buy all of them. Reason being that historical low, if you check, this is the lowest point market has been. This is a week. Now, go as much as you can go back. You will not see a time the market has gone lower than this point. This is the lowest point market has been. So it doesn't make sense to be selling a market that's at the lowest point. What price data we use to support your sales? So currently I'm looking to buy, and I like this engulfing buys I'm seeing here. So on the daily time frame, until the market is having that movement up, that bullish one, and on the 4 hour, I actually missed this trade last week because I was involved in other trades. I was not too involved in this. You see, we had the break, retest, engulfing, and push to the upside. So what I'm waiting for here now is just a break out of this area. But now this is a tricky one because consider the last time market broke up here, he had like a kind of fake out on the daily time frame, and then he sold back. The same thing here. So I'm going to wait for market to have a proper candlestick body closure above here. So what have a proper candlestick closing above here? I'm waiting for the retest to continue the buys. Now, if I did not have much pairs for the week, or I did not have better pairs for the week, right, I could have actually maybe just entered out of the minor break and retest here and just hope for it to go well. But since I have better pairs, and this is like the least pair I have for the week, because as it's down here, it's going to take more time to perform. So I'm going to wait for that proper break. It might happen this week, it might happen next week. Whichever week it happens, I'm going to wait for that proper break and close above here, then retest to continue to the upside. So that's basically all the pairs I have for the week. If you like the video, please if you like the analysis I've done here, please continue to click the like and subscribe button, like the video, and share it out to your people. And I'll see you guys next week or on the next video.